Good day to you. This is the broadcast from the Mesh Studio at GMIT for today, November 7th, 2025. We're starting off today with the satellite imagery. And just to the west of the Lesser Antilles, we find the axis of a surface to low-level trough, which has been affecting Dominica and the islands to the north of the chain throughout the morning. Meanwhile, to the east, we find this mass of clouds associated with an easterly wave. This easterly wave is expected to begin affecting Dominica from tonight and into tomorrow. Apart from these two features, we find that the rest of the tropical Atlantic remains very quiet and there are no systems or they are being monitored for tropical cyclone development at this time. Zooming in closer to home, skies were generally cloudy during the morning as enhanced clouds move across the area. However, by mid-morning and into the afternoon, we saw some more shallow cloud patches moving across the island, resulting in partly cloudy to cloudy skies. And our radar imagery indicated that those clouds resulted in moderate to heavy thunder showers during the morning, particularly across the central and southern portion of the island. However, there were no reports of flooding occurring in those areas. So tonight, as the easterly wave begins to affect the island, conditions are expected to become mostly cloudy with scattered showers with a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures are expected to be down to about 24 degrees Celsius in coastal communities and 22 degrees Celsius in the interior. Winds are expected to pick up slightly out of the east-northeast, peaking to about 35 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts, particularly in elevated areas. So looking ahead over the next 3 days, tomorrow Saturday, the easterly wave will result in mostly cloudy skies with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms, particularly during the afternoon to overnight period. So we do have a yellow alert for Saturday. So those of you in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks, you're advised to exercise caution during that period. Some moisture and instability is likely to linger into Sunday morning, resulting in partly cloudy to cloudy skies with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms. By afternoon, some dust haze is expected to move into the area, resulting in a reduction in air quality and visibility. That haze is expected to linger into Monday, when partly cloudy to cloudy skies with scattered showers are expected. Temperatures are expected to remain warm during the daylight hours, peaking to about 33 degrees Celsius and down to about 23 degrees Celsius during the nighttime periods. Winds expected to remain gusty, peaking to about 40 kilometers per hour on Sunday. In the marine environment, today we do have a high surf advisory out for ground swells along the western, northern, and eastern coastline. We expect to discontinue this high surf advisory by this evening. However, we also have a small craft advisory for waves peaking to about 8 feet along the eastern coastline. And this small craft advisory is expected to be in place throughout the weekend and into Monday. So small craft operators and sea bathers, you are asked to continue to exercise caution. The sun will rise tomorrow at 6:04 a.m. and will set at 5:34 p.m. The first high tide tomorrow will be at 8:08 a.m. and the first low tide at 10:28 a.m. Remember, for updated information, you can join us in our WhatsApp channel. You can gain access by scanning this QR code or visit our Facebook or Instagram platforms at Dominica Met or even our website at weather.gov.dm. Thank you for joining us today. Do enjoy the weekend. See you next time.